To register for Iowa Western classes, you'll first want to start at the homepage of Rock. Find the card that says Academic Planning at the top and click the first link titled Student Planning. You'll then be given two options: view your progress and plan your degree and register for classes. Select the second option to navigate to your student plan and timeline. Make sure the semester you are trying to register for is listed at the top. If not, use the arrow keys to navigate to the correct semester. Your admissions advisor has taken the time to plan out your first semester of classes for you based on your program of study. If you don't see any classes planned or aren't sure that the classes planned for you are correct, reach out to your advisor and they can assist. Currently, your classes should be planned, but you're not registered for them yet. To register, click on the View Other Sections option beneath each class to see the time and format options. Note that depending on the class, there may be multiple pages of options to choose from. In-person classes held on the Council Bluffs campus will always be listed first, followed by in-person classes held on our satellite campuses, which are located in surrounding communities. If you're registering for in-person classes, please ensure you're being mindful of the campus you select when getting registered. Online classes at Iowa Western are not tied to a specific campus and do not have specific meeting times. You can find Iowa Western's online classes listed at the end here. Once you've found the section of the classes you would like to register for, click Add Section. Then repeat this process for each of the classes you would like to take. Keep in mind that at least 12 credit hours per semester is considered full-time, but you will likely need around 15 credit hours per semester if you want to graduate in 2 years. If you plan to attend part-time, we recommend meeting with your advisor to discuss your graduation timeline and assist in planning your classes accordingly. Once all of the classes are planned as you'd like them to be, just click the Register Now button at the top to register yourself for all of them. Once you've successfully registered, your courses will look like this, with the Registered but Not Yet Started note listed beneath the name of the class. Please double-check that registration went through for all of the classes you'd like to register for. If you get an error message or the system does not allow you to register for certain classes, reach out to your advisor for assistance. As the start of the semester draws closer, classes will begin to fill up, so you may notice that some of the class sections have waitlists. Once you register for the other classes, you can click the Waitlist button beneath the class to add yourself to that waitlist. If you're on a waitlist, it's very important to check your iwcc.edu email daily, as you will receive an email when a spot opens up for you in the class. Once a spot opens up, you will be given a limited amount of time to register for the class. If you fail to register within that time frame, the open spot will be offered to the next person on the waitlist, and you'll miss your chance. Once you've completed the registration process for your first semester, your next step will be to meet with your College Success Advisor. You should receive a welcome email from them within a couple weeks of registering, inviting you to set up a new student onboarding appointment. If you'd like to get a head start, you can find their contact information and schedule an appointment using their appointment link, which can be found on the advising page of the Iowa Western website. If you have any questions about the registration process or need assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to your admissions advisor for help. Thanks so much for watching, and welcome to the Reaver family.